All right, here we are in one of the alleys where we're growing asparagus as the cash crop in the alley. We have 4 such alleys. Chestnut is on either side. Approximately 2 acres of asparagus, so that's 2 football fields worth of asparagus. What's interesting about the asparagus, because of the competitive effects, we grow it in a heavy sod just like the asparagus you see in the ditch on the side of the road, and it's growing in competition with the chestnut trees right nearby. We probably get about half the yields that you could expect out of a clean tilled asparagus crop, but that's not my goals. My goals are to have an easy system to manage that is profitable by itself. So once you plant the asparagus, take minimal care of it. I mow it a few times in the springtime, scalp mow it right to the ground, and then the asparagus itself emerges through the weeds, which are mostly grasses. We see some, various different ragweeds and stuff like that. Probably the highest yields we got off of these 2 acres was about 2,300 pounds. It's a 22-year-old patch now, 23 years old. So there have been some yield declines in recent years, starting to lose some to various different kinds of crown and root rots, which is common for this age of an asparagus patch. Meanwhile, though, as the asparagus has peaked in production, the chestnuts have started to increase in production. And now as the asparagus starts to decline, the chestnut yields are increasing even more. And I don't know if we're going to do the asparagus for another 2 years, 5 years, 10 years, mow it and have it all be pasture and graze cattle in here. I've got options. When you're doing an alley cropping system, you end up with options.